Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. When we gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am working with RPGSHOW hair. So I'm super excited to show you guys the wig that they sent me for this collaboration because it is so beautiful. They sent me this golden blonde balayage, a layered long wave human hair wig. My wig is in 20 inches. It's a 13x6 Glueless fit 2.0 Swiss lace front wig. It is 200% density and my wig has the Lagos hairline. This wig does come with an adjustable elastic band and an adjustable drawstring back, so you're able to get the perfect glueless fit with this wig. And just look at how invisible that lace is, you guys. So for this install, I am doing a glueless install, so no glue gel spray, nothing, just adjusting the elastic band and the drawstring to get a good fit. And here is the Lagos hairline. I absolutely love their Lagos hairline, you guys. I love how realistic it looks and it matches like my natural hairline, how it's kind of shaped, so I feel like it fits my face really well. So again, this wig is 20 inches and 200% density. This is it straight out of the box. It does come pre-curled. These are the curls that it came with. They're absolutely beautiful, but I am going to be re-curling them just because they were a little bent up, but I wanted to show you guys what they looked like if you were to comb them out. They were absolutely gorgeous. I did love them, but I like my curls to look a certain way, so I'm going to be recurling them. I'm going in with my hot comb just to flatten the top out and get it super natural looking and flat, and then we're going to curl it. So let me just talk about the quality of the wig real quick, okay? So it is a golden blonde balayage color, and I think that this blonde fit my skin tone so well, you guys. I'm a little nervous when it comes to blonde wigs because blonde can be a little, frightening for a girl like me for my skin tone. It's really hard to like get a blonde right because I feel like when you're a black girl, you really need to have that perfect tone of blonde for it to complement your skin tone. And I think that this golden blonde really complemented my skin tone. This wig was colored so well, and for it to be blonde and colored, it still felt really nice. It didn't feel dry and brittle at all, so I absolutely love that. If y'all have ever tried RPGSHOW, then you just know that their wigs are always top tier. You always get what you pay for. They can be a little pricey, but you're gonna get what you pay for. The quality is amazing. They last. The lace is pretty much invisible and they're glueless. They come pre-styled. You don't have to do much to these wigs at all. So I believe that they're worth the price that they are. But all in all, I just really love this wig. I love how it turned out. It was so beautiful. I did not want to take her off because like I said, I feel like this blonde really complemented my skin tone and I just absolutely loved it. So if you guys want to purchase a wig from RPGSHOW, I do have a code. You can use the code SHAM for $100 off for orders over $400. So definitely use that code, you guys, because yeah, you need to get an RPGSHOW wig like today. So I'm gonna have a direct link to this wig in the description box so you guys can go on there. I have so many videos featuring RPGSHOW wigs on my channel, so if you guys even want to go back to older videos and look at some other wigs that I've done from them, definitely do, because every single wig has been a hit. I love their wigs down. I give them a 10 out of 10 all the time. One of my favorite companies, so definitely check them out. So again, check out the description box for the link. Use the code. Let me know what you guys think if you purchase from them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you love how this wig turned out. I absolutely loved it. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and finish this video out. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.